students, my name is Sana Muzaffar and I'm your teacher. We are going to learn today a new letter of English. So how your vacations are going? I hope you all are enjoying. So nice, look at the board. Today we have a new letter, that is letter D. This is D. Look at the board, this is D and this is small d. This is small d. So you can say it also uppercase letter and lowercase letter. D and then another D. So you can see wherever you can see this letter, you will say it D. You can say it D. So what is the action of D? Can you guess what is the action of D? First we have learned the action of A, that was ants on my arm. Then we have learned the action of B, that was we were batting the ball, and it was B, like I'm holding the bat and I'm pushing the ball. B. Then now then we have learned the action of C, that was K, like we are clicking the consonants. K. And today it is the turn of letter D. So we will learn the action of D. Like you suppose you have a drum in front of you and you are holding the sticks of drums like this in your hands, and you have to beat the drum. Yes, like this. Suppose I have a drum in front of me and I'm having sticks of drums and I'm beating the drum with that. Yes, this is sound of D. Now we are going to write D here. First you have to start from this dot and you have to come down. We will make a standing line like this, and then we have to make a curve on this side, on the right side. Make a curve, go down and touch the dot. Then write it here, capital D we are writing. We have make a standing line, then make a curve, go down and touch this dot. This is capital D. This is capital D. So let's move on to the small d. Now we are going to write small d here. So starting from the first dot, go down, touch the dot, make a curve from here, go down, touch the dot, and then it is done. This is small d. This is small d. Write it here. Make a line first, then start from the second line, come down, touch the dots. This is very easy. So we have done capital D and small d. We are going to decorate the donut. You can see here we have so many chunks in my hand and I'm going to paste it on the donut. Yeah, this will look beautiful now. I'm going to erase the part of this and then on this side. I have different color of chunks. This is white and I'm pasting it on the donut because donut starts from the letter D. From the letter D. Let's paste it here. Then another chunk and it is going to be here. Does it look nice now? Yes, we are decorating the donut and I'm pasting it here. I have so many chunks in my hand and we are going to make this donut beautiful. Pasting it here and then another chunk. Yay, this looks so beautiful and we have decorated the donut. Let's do another activity of D. We have to write the beginning letter in front of each picture. You can see here we have so many pictures and then we have to write the beginning sound of it here. So can you guess what is this? This is alligator. This is alligator, and alligator starts from what sound coming? Alligator. So here we have to write A because the sound of A is A. So I'm going to write here A. First you'll make a standing line, then make a curve, touch the line, and this is A. Yeah, we have done the first. Then we have a picture of butterfly. What is this? Butterfly, and butterfly starts from butterfly. Can you guess? B. So here the sound come of B. We have the sound of B here. So I'm going to write here B like this. Then I'm having the picture of a cat. This is a cat, and cat starts from can you guess? K. Cat. K. Cat. So here we will write letter C. Letter C. Right here letter C. Then look down. What is this picture? This is a picture of cute yellow duck. This is a duck, and duck starts from can you guess? Duck. So it will be d. So this is the sound of D, as you know. So we are going to write here letter D, standing line, then make a curve, and then this is letter D. You can see here first we have written the beginning sound of alligator, then B butterfly, then C cat, and the last one was D duck. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture of D. Thank you.